How to host Clubhouse with limited audience. Hosting a Clubhouse room with a limited control or private audience is best achieved by using a closed room feature with restricted entry only to people you specifically invite. To start the room, you just want to tap this green Start a Room button at the bottom of the home screen. Next, you want to make sure to set close options or a specific club if you want to limit it to members. You then want to choose people and pick specific user from your contact or followers to join you as suggested by, and you could just go ahead and tap let's go. Only the people you invite will be able to see or join this room. And alternatively, if you want a small group but not a restricted whitelist, use the social settings. This restricts the room so only people you follow can see and join, and keep it intimate but slightly more open than a closed room. And this way you're supposed to host Clubhouse room with limited audience. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.